Accidents and incidents at sea occur not because seafarers lack skill, but due to a range of underlying factors, from unrecognised risks to unforeseen circumstances. Across the world, increasing traffic adds complexity, particularly in areas where vessel routes overlap with habitats critical to marine mammals. These shared spaces demand a heightened situational awareness in the crew to ensure both maritime safety and environmental protection. Imagine a world where navigation is significantly safer, with enhanced situational awareness for those at the helm. That vision is precisely what the European Union and the United Kingdom aim to achieve through the Ocean Project. The Ocean Project has developed tools that are now at technological readiness level 7, thus poised for early deployment to tackle serious issues like collisions between ships and whales, a critical problem recognised by many stakeholders, NGOs, coastal states, and the International Maritime Organization. Importantly, the ocean ecosystem integrates into and takes advantage of existing systems already in place on board the vessel's bridge. The ocean solutions are about sharing data to keep everyone in the loop and safe. Now let's see how these tools can come together in a real-world scenario. Imagine a bustling morning in a beautiful location. Passengers are boarding a ferry for their journey, while nearby, hydrophones detect the presence of whales a few nautical miles away. These underwater sensors detect grey whales, while satellite imagery optionally supports long-term detection of the animals from above. This information flows seamlessly to the European Navigational Hazard Infrastructure, or ENHI, where datasets are consolidated and shared with the ships in the area, as well as shoreside operation centres and vessel traffic services, all equipped with the necessary tools developed by the Ocean Project to monitor the situation. From such shoreside facilities, information from the ocean ecosystem is also used to generate and send messages to ships and boats using the traditional means of navigation warnings such as AIS, Navtex, and voice messages. Mariners receive these alerts directly through virtual aids to navigation on their bridge systems, VHF and Navtex, as well as through the new Ocean 4D SAD and the Ocean Reporting app, designed to address the needs of the professional and smaller boat users. For longer-term planning, Ocean makes use of species distribution models which highlight areas of potential whale activity on these instruments, enabling mariners to make proactive adjustments and avoid high-risk zones. For example, a cargo ship approaching the area can be warned of high whale density before approaching, and the near real-time warnings received subsequently can be used to support their company's policy to have the crew reduce speed to 10 knots, ensuring the safety of both the vessel and the marine mammals. At the same time, a sailing boat that spots a whale can report it via the Ocean Reporting app, adding to the data in the ocean ecosystem and keeping it up to date. In this scenario, a fast ferry also encounters a pod of whales and adjusts its route based on updated alerts, mitigating risk directly, while the ENHI continuously ensures all this information is shared accurately and promptly. Every year, it is estimated that thousands of whales are injured or killed by vessel strikes. These endangered species share the oceans with us, and it's our shared responsibility to protect them. The Ocean Project offers powerful, real-time solutions that combine satellite detection, acoustic monitoring, crowdsourced data, and predictive modelling to reduce these incidents. This isn't just about saving whales. It's about improving safety for everyone at sea. By reducing delays in hazard reporting and providing accurate and actionable information, the ocean system minimizes risks and ensures coordinated responses. Learn how to integrate the Ocean Project's tools into your existing infrastructure. Contact the University of Western Norway today and join the movement for safer seas and sustainable navigation. Together, we're creating a future where vessels and marine life coexist in harmony.